This is a short introduction, small video about the mobile web pages for Accessible Help Desk Pro Edition. Right now we're signing in as a user. User happens to be named John Doe, and we're using a username of John and a password of Doe. As with the full-size web pages, you can choose to offer the username, password, and automatically sign-in checkboxes or not to show those boxes. It's up to you. So when we log in, we'll have three menu options. The first is to view the knowledge base, the next will be to submit a new request, and the third will be to view any requests that have already been submitted by the logged in user. So we just submit a new request. This will be filled in with the user's name by default and the current date, the time we're not concerned with, but the user can then just select a category of support, and we'll choose basic support, and then a request type, which may be hardware. And then for the details, which is a required field, we'll say install more RAM. The request will default with a status of new, and that's a read-only field. So now the user enters his request, he clicks the button to save the record. An email will be sent when a new request has been added to the user into a hard-coded email address such as your help desk email address. The user can then go view their request and track the status of requests they've submitted. And here's the one that we just entered: install more RAM. Now, although the user doesn't have to enter information based on his login, information is already looked up. That would include things like the user's email address, their department and location, and so on. If any action had been taken on the request, the user would be able to see that information here. This is a view-only field. The user does have the option to delete the request by clicking the delete button, and they'll be prompted if they really want to delete the record or not. Choosing the back arrow will take them back to the list of requests they've submitted. And in addition to the menu option to add a new request, they can click the plus symbol to add a new request from their view request screen. Again, their username is the default filled in with the current date. Again, choose their category. This time we're choosing the category of account, and we'll say other. And for the details, we'll say forgot my username. And again, we'll just say save the record. And the user will be returned to his screen of request he submitted. And here we see the request he just submitted. He forgot his username. So the idea for the mobile web pages is a quick and easy way for users to enter and view their web request just by using their smartphone. I'll show you quickly. They also have the option to search their request. They can search for any text by typing in that box, search for RAM, for example. Okay. That's all I wanted to show you, just a quick idea. The web pages, mobile web pages for support staff is more involved, has more screens, more options, and more fields. We hope some will find this useful. Thanks for watching this video.